If you want your Mailchimp emails to look better fast, one of the easiest upgrades is improving your background styling. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color and add a background image in Mailchimp so your emails look cleaner, more professional, and better on brand. This is a simple fix, but it can make a huge difference in how your campaign feels to your audience. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy marketing and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, sign into your Mailchimp account and open the email campaign you want to edit. Once you're inside the campaign, click Edit Design to open the email editor. This is where you can control the look and feel of your message, including the layout, colors, spacing, and background settings. Now look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Mailchimp keeps most of the design controls. Click Styles to open your email's design settings. The Styles panel is where you can make your email feel more polished without having to touch any code. If your goal is to make emails look better, this is exactly where you want to be. Next, click Background inside the Styles panel. This section contains the settings for both the content area and the outer background. Mailchimp separates these two areas, which is helpful because it lets you style the inside of the email differently from the space around it. Let's start by changing the content background color. Under Content Color, choose the background color for the main content area of your email. You can pick a color from the palette or enter a custom hex code if you already have your brand colors ready. If you want your email to feel more consistent with your website or brand identity, using your exact brand color is a great move. After that, click Background Color to change the outer background. This is the color that appears behind the main content section. In many cases, people choose a subtle neutral shade like light gray, off-white, or a soft tinted color so the email body stands out more clearly. The goal here is to make the design feel intentional, not distracting. Now take a moment to compare the content color and the background color together. This step matters more than people think. Make sure there is enough contrast so your text stays easy to read and your layout still feels clean. If the colors are too close together, the email can look flat. If they clash too much, it can feel messy. A good combination should support your brand and improve readability at the same time. Now let's talk about adding a background image, which is another great way to make Mailchimp emails look better. If you want a more visual, branded, or seasonal design, a background image can help your campaign stand out. To do this, stay in the Styles panel and click Background again if needed. This brings you back to the background appearance settings for your email. From here, click Add Image, select Image, or the Upload area, depending on what Mailchimp shows in your version. You'll then have two main options. You can upload an image from your computer, or you can select an image from the Mailchimp Content Studio if you already have one stored there. Once you choose the image, Mailchimp will upload it and apply it to the background. After the image is added, check the size carefully. If needed, resize the background image so it fits your layout properly. You want the image to display without stretching or cropping anything important. A background image should enhance your email, not distract from the message or hide the content. If the subject of the image is getting cut off, adjust the size or try a different image that works better for email. Next, adjust the image position. Mailchimp usually gives you positioning options like center, top, bottom, left, or right. Choose the placement that keeps the main subject visible and supports the overall layout. For example, if your image has a focal point near the top, centering or top alignment may work best. If it's more of a decorative texture, you may have more flexibility. After that, check the mobile padding settings. This is important because an image that looks great on desktop can sometimes feel too tight or awkward on mobile devices. Adjust the spacing if necessary so the background image still displays properly on smartphones and tablets. Since a lot of people open emails on mobile, this step helps make sure your design looks good everywhere. Before you finish, use the preview option to see exactly how the email looks. This is where you verify that the text is still easy to read, the images are positioned correctly, and the design works on both desktop and mobile. Previewing is one of the best ways to catch small issues before your email goes out to real subscribers. Once everything looks right, click Save and Exit to apply your changes. At this point, your email should already look much better with improved background colors or a customized background image. That small design upgrade can make your campaign feel more professional and more engaging. So that's how to make Mailchimp emails look better, by changing the background color and adding a background image. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.